Hi, YouTube people. So, I want to be back here. Alam niyo, akala ko talaga I will be able to start again early this year. But guess what? I never uploaded another video in this channel. So like, what is happening? And now, it's already August and I really want to capture some of, my days. And ang dami ninyong na-miss, guys. I thought I would be able to share my OJT journeys with you. Pero wala ako na ipakita sa inyo. But, you can check my TikTok account. Doon may mga glimpse. Pero kasi guys, honestly, during my OJT days, the reason why I can't share you guys a video is because sinasurrender namin yung phone namin during work hours. So, I can't film during like kahit yung glimpse lang ng work namin. So like, ang makikita niyo lang is me getting ready, going to workplace, and then going home. So like, diba, anong mapapala niyo doon? And then, I forgot to film when we attended Expo kasi na-shock na din ako sa nangyayari doon. Like, after mag-start ng Expo ko, like, after magpasok pa ng tao, ang dami na ding tao din sa booth namin. So like, yeah. Pero, meron akong mga glimpse of things sa TikTok ko. So, I'll just show my account here. So, ayun. That's what happened. And then, nag-vacation kami. After OJT vacation, dito lang din ako sa bahay. I don't have things to do, honestly. So, like, kaya wala din ako share sa inyo. And then, graduation happens. I was supposed to share it with you guys here in YouTube. Pero, sobrang short lang nung na-film ko kasi, I don't know na, parang 4 minutes lang yun. That's why, nasa TikTok ko na lang din siya. And hindi ako nagsasalita doon much. So, ayun. Tingnan nyo guys, I graduated college. My first day in college was on YouTube then. So, and now I graduated. I'm done. Pero, ayun, ngayon, I don't have work yet. Hindi ko alam kung paano pa. But anyways, ayun. That's a little catch up of what happened after the last vlog that I uploaded. So, ayun. And now, I'm planning to just bring you guys with me to my normal days. Like, some of my days na hindi lang ako nakahiga na nanood. So, ayun. Let's see if I can give you something for this video. So, ayan. Haha! Hello. So, for the first clip ng video natin today, pupunta bibili kami ng merienda namin. Kasi lagi kami ako. Guys, guess what? Nandito ako sa bahay and nabidyohan ko yung potato corner pero hindi yung linson. Tapos, tanin! Ubus na! Pero siomai and rice lang yan. So, ayun. We just had our merienda. Our next thing to do? I don't know. Hello. So, this is another thing. Lalabas na naman kami para kumain. Bumili ng pagkain. Kain na naman. Kain. I make sure na I'll show to you guys yung bibili namin. Promise. Let's go. Isa pa, isa pa. We secure our Chow Long Bai and other food. Hi guys, nag-ihay ko. Uy! Ayan, naghahanap kami ng papanipulin namin. While eating.
Ano ba yan?
Hindi ko alam, pero kasi Korean, ano siya, tapos fish cake ang tawag nila. Ano? Hi, Levi! Ano? Levi, look. Levi. Say hi. Hi. Hi guys. So, next day, I'll be cooking gulaman. So, magpapakulo lang ako ng tubig. And this is the gulaman and the sugar. Itong lagay ng gulaman. So, today, magpapapicture lang ako for cake. Pang resume. Ay, nako. Pero, yan. Picture lang tayo. And baka magpagupit din ako. So, I just got a picture. Hey guys, so it's another day. It's Sunday, so let's go and attend Mass. So finally, I'll be able to attend Mass again after 3 weeks. So let's go.
Ay, basura kay Maya. Ito yung baso. Tayo pala, Marikit.
Yeah. It's the next day, guys. Hello. So, nandito na kami. After na bumili kami ng gratis meal. And nandito na kami. Hala, ganito lang kami. Candid. Tatay. Hey guys, good morning. So, another day. I'm just doing this. We'll do diamond painting ni Jungkook na grabe, feeling ko 2 years na to. And ngayon ko pa lang siya matatapos. Tatapusin ko na talaga para ma-display ko na din since kahapon is birthday niya. Simulan ko na to kahapon, like this part, yan, yung mga yan, ginawa ko siya kahapon. And hindi ko na lang natapos since dumating yung boyfriend ko. So, ayun. Now, tatapusin na talaga natin siya. Ilan gusto mo?
Kahit ilan.
Yan na, oh. Ito muna tayo. Nalay mo naman. Ang daming
Daw.
masarap.
So, pausaw. Tak. Apa tak?